crazy out here, man. The ground is slick, man. So, anyways.
Ldubbeats, bring that heat, boy.
What up, guys? Welcome back to Sauner's Lifestyle. Today's another day in the United Kingdom. I definitely said the United Kingdom. A lot of folks see the American cars and think I live in the United States. I am living in England right now. Been living over here for about 2.5, 3 years. Work over here as well. That's why I'm here, because of work, and I enjoy it. The only thing I do not enjoy, and I'm going to tell you guys a little secret, come here a little closer, it's the weather. Yeah, the weather. The weather is not the greatest here, man. So if you guys like rain, cold, and all that other stuff, man, this is the place for you. It is definitely not the place for me when it comes down to weather, because I'm from Texas, man. Always represent every day, all day. Wow, I just seen like a green highlighter color Honda up in front of me. There's a couple cars linked, otherwise I'll show you guys. But anyways, I brought you guys on, man, give you two updates real quick. First update is the 3rd gen. I'm waiting on Royal Mill to deliver my sandpaper. I still, to this day, do not have that sandpaper. Yes, you guys may be asking, why don't you just go to auto body place that sells it? I don't know where there's one around here. I Googled it. There was one, but it's like an hour and some change away from here. Unless you guys know a hidden gem around the local area where I'm at, New Market area, please hit me in my comments or in the inbox or whatever, let me know, because I've been wanting to sand this car down, and that's pretty much that's what's holding me up right now, is getting this sandpaper. So once that gets delivered, because I ordered it, it's supposed to be here on Monday, and today is Thursday, and I still don't have it. Once I get that, then I should be able to knock out the rest of this car, man, and get it done. Because I know you guys are just, you guys want to see it just as bad as I want to see it done, wrapped. And believe me, I am anxious to see what it's going to look like. But anyways, I'm in the Hellcat today. That 707 Hellcat. Boy, I got this car, man. I don't give you guys enough content on this car, man. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos, and there's a lot of folks that got these cars, man. And it seems like they're a dime a dozen now. I mean, I thought it was special over here. I mean, I guess I can say I am a little special over here, because there ain't too many Hellcats over here in the United Kingdom. Well, Chargers, that is. I've only seen mine and other guys, man, on base. And those are the only 2 Chargers I've seen. I've seen a couple of Challengers off base, riding around, and owned by probably some locals or something like that. But yeah, man, I'm wanting to give you guys a review / where I bought my side skirts, splitter, and rear diffuser from. And I just wanted to let you guys know, man, you ain't gotta ball out to make the car look good, man. I mean, I definitely went cheap on it, and you guys will see. Well, I'm gonna tell you guys where I bought my stuff from. It don't look cheap. I mean, I got it painted. It looks professionally looking. It looks professionally installed, even though I did the work and everything myself. But you guys don't have to spend a lot of money, man. You know what I mean? I always say, man, why spend $50 dollars when you can save it? You know what I mean? Like, I just don't understand it. Like, if you can save it and do it yourself, or find a cheaper way to do it to make it look just as good, then do it. Now, with that said, you pay for what you get. So with certain items, obviously I ball out and I spend some money on, because obviously you pay for what you get. But there's certain items, where you can cut corners on and don't have to spend so much money to make something look good or presentable. And I'm talking about cars, man. You know what I mean? Other items, you may have to spend more money on a particular item to make sure that it lasts long. You know what I mean? So, but yeah, I'm gonna get off that soapbox. But I want to definitely fill you guys in on where I bought my parts from, and give you guys a quick walk around of what that looks like for those tuning in. If you're just tuning in, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Go ahead and give me a like, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you want to put on there, and leave some comments below, man. Definitely share this channel with folks that are into cars, man, because I have a lot of car content. Man, this Subaru that was in front of me, he just took off. You better be lucky. It's cold and rainy out here. Well, not cold. Well, cold, but slick. You know what I mean? Because it was raining earlier. I can't drive like that. He's got all-wheel drive. I got rear-wheel drive. So, grabbing some gas real quick, guys, and then I'll turn you guys back on when I get to the spot, to a spot to show you a 360 walk around and where I bought these parts from. All right. Got gas. All right, guys, so I need to find a parking spot or a parking place or somewhere just so I can give you guys a quick walk around on the vehicle to give you guys that update. So once I find that location, I'll turn you guys back on. All right, let's go. All right, guys, made it to the undisclosed location. All right, so what we got here is we got my 2019 Dodge Charger Hellcat. All right, so the pieces I want to explain to you guys today, you don't have to spend a lot of money to make a car look good. So you see the side skirts, front splitter. Mind you, the car is a little dirty, so don't say too much about that. It's been raining off and on. So yeah, let me start off with the splitter. So it's got road grime and bird poop on it already, but that splitter, man, I bought that off of eBay. It comes in 3 pieces. So 1, 2, 3. So, you know, when I first bought it, I thought the lines was going to be a problem, just seeing the 3 different pieces, but to me it doesn't look too bad, honestly. I'll show you guys a little closer. Don't mind the bird poop, man. It's bird poop right there. But yeah, so I got it color matched when it came in. When I ordered it, it came in black plastic. So I got it all color matched to match the car. Got that off of eBay. I want to say I spent about $109 for that. Then I got the side skirts, also off of eBay. Came in all black. So got it color matched. All the stuff that I'm showing you guys is plastic. So obviously I secured it on it pretty good with these push pins. In addition to the side skirts, I have this other little piece right here. It already chipped. I hit when I did a burn it. I think I messed up. It got some hot stuff got on here, or hot stuff, some burnt rubber, or got on there, and I was trying to wash it off, and I hit it with the pressure washer, and I got a little too close to it, and it chipped the paint off. So, but yeah, I mean, for the most part, I mean, this right here for both sides, I spent $24 on these. Got them painted, color matched. Obviously, I spent a little bit more money getting them color matched. And the rear diffuser. So you guys can find those rear diffusers all over the place. Of course, there's a car coming right here. Sorry guys, there was a car that just showed up. So anyways, the rear diffuser, I got that also off of eBay. Also plastic, not carbon fiber. Got it color matched. So all in all, for all the parts on it, I got it all off of eBay. Spent less than $500 for all the parts. Then I got them painted. I think I spent another $200 to get them painted. So for the entire kit all the way around, Let me bring you guys back up here. So on the entire kit all the way around, I spent about I probably spent about roughly about 600 bucks. So the front splitter was, let me figure out my math, 109. The side skirts was like another $100. That's 209. The rear diffuser was another, how much was that? Man, it's been so long since I bought it. The diffuser was another, let's just say another $100. That's 309. And then a little small piece in the back, I said it was 24 bucks ish, 30 bucks ish. So 300 and 350, 360. Math might be way off, but, and then the paint. So I'm saying total combined, I probably spent about $500 for all those parts to get painted, color matched, and for the parts, shipping everything onto the car, man. And you guys tell me what you guys think.
Ldubbeats got that fire.
So yeah, all in all, man, I just want to show you guys, man, you don't have to spend a lot of money to make a car look good, man. So the car itself comes stock looking good, man, regardless of what anybody says. These Chargers are something else, man. They definitely look good. And I like the fact that I could put my entire family in the car and have fun with this car, man. Still put groceries in it, have fun with this car. Go to football practice, pick up the kids, drop the kids off, whatever, still have fun. So at the end of the day, man, my favorite word, right? End of the day, this Charger, man, I love this car to the max. The thing looks so good, man. You guys tell me what you guys think. Yeah, the thing looks good, man. The 4 Giottos, I still got them. I definitely took them off because of that plastic dip stuff I was telling you guys about on prior videos. Once I'm done with the Camaro, I'm going to drop those off. I'm going to take them apart and drop them off to get painted. And once I get them painted, I'll slap them back on. But I probably won't slap them back on to the springtime because here in the next couple of weeks, this bad boy is going to be parked up and I will not be driving it during the winter time. Because it's no fun driving it in the winter time because all you do is slide around everywhere. And I got the Jag to ride around, the big boss mobile, man. I love driving that car. I will end up doing a video with all the cars parked with each other. You know, I've seen somebody do that. I think CJ on 32s did it. A couple other people that's done it before, man. So I got all my cars, but I don't have the space at my house to park them all. And what I'll end up doing is I'll get them all together and do a video for you guys on all 4 of my cars. I did sell one of the Jags, so I won't have that one in there, but I had 5 total. Now I got 4. I downsized and I needed to downsize. I'm probably not going to downsize any further, but I love my cars, man. And like I said, I'll definitely get you guys a video with all the cars in one shot. But I wanted to get the Camaro done. That way the Camaro looks just as good as the rest of the cars. But yeah, other than that, man, if you guys are just tuning in, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment below for this video. This is definitely going to end the video. I might give you guys one pull right about now. You thought the video was over? Well, it is now. I appreciate you guys showing love and support so far, man. I'm almost at 500 subscribers, man. Once I get 500, next goes 1,000, man. But I appreciate all the love and support that you guys been showing me. Once again, man, hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Hit it again. Hit it one more time. Don't unsubscribe. Keep watching my videos, man. I appreciate it, guys, and I'm out.